Autocase is a web-based application that works on all browsers. Once logged into Autocase, you are greeted by the project dashboard. The project dashboard is your starting point. From here, you can begin new projects, add collaborators, access your account information, and contact Autocase for support or feedback. This is also where all of your previously created projects will be stored. Each project tile is considered as a building address and allows for unlimited design scenarios within the project. Click New Project and you will be taken to an input screen where we want to get to know more about your project. This section is known as General Inputs. These values provide key background information of your building design. First, you will be asked to select the location where your building will be constructed. This will allow us to populate the underlying data that will generate your base case. Next, you will provide some more details of your building. This includes assigning a name to your project, selecting your building type, and inputting the total floor area of the building, which will all influence the base case and base case defaults. You can also select the currency you would like to run your analysis in. This can be in Canadian dollars or US dollars. Next is your project timeline. This determines when your costs and benefits will begin to occur and helps us calculate the net present value of your project. These inputs include the starting date of your project, the length of construction, and the duration of operation. The next step involves you uploading a project cover photo. This can be a digital image of the future design of your building. The final step before the setup of your project is complete is to choose the design considerations you wish to focus on for your building. There are currently 9 design considerations including energy efficiency and renewable energy, HVAC, lighting and daylighting, open space, water efficiencies, roofing choices, building sightlines, life cycle cost analysis, and other costs and benefits. This is an ever-expanding list that will be added to continually. If you have selected the energy efficiency and renewable energy goal, you will now be shown 3 different options to choose from. Depending on where you are in the project design, you will determine which of these 3 options you will choose to input your energy information. This includes percent reduction goals, feature by feature comparison, and whole building energy simulation. If you have selected the roofing design goal, you will now be prompted to input the size of your roof. This can be done in square footage. Your roof can also be larger than the square footage of your building. Congratulations! You have now completed the beginning steps of your project. You now see the project workspace, where you will better tailor your building design to determine the financial, social, and environmental value of your building.